Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hello, if you're new here, it's lovely to have you and I hope you'll choose to stick around and subscribe. It's completely free, it just means that I pop up in your subscription box every time I upload a new video. On to today's video, and it's a little trip to the garden centre, well, kind of to the garden centre. You may have seen my previous vlog at this place and they have lots of animals there, so we were in the area recently and popped in to have a little look around. Nellie loves her animals, so I thought it would be a good way of breaking up our journey. So I hope you enjoy.
He's cute. Is holding on to one of them.
He's cute.
Yeah. Salmon pink bird eater tarantula.
Watching the butterflies. They're pretty.
Come a little closer. I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower. I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night, trying to figure you out. I just wanna make you smile. Hold your hand in my hand, looking at the sunset. Man, you're looking good tonight. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like
Nanny's made some friends. Got some
You set my wheels in motion. I'm going crazy for you. Eyes blue like the ocean. I can see you want this too. Cause you've been looking at me all night, trying to figure me out. I just wanna let you know that I ain't playing no games. Baby, you won't change. I only want you. I wanna kiss you before the sun goes down. It's what you do. Making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling.
good to see you.
Yeah, I'm falling in love. Yeah, I'm falling in love.
Yeah, they're following Nanny.
Kiss you before the sun goes
Or they've all
down.
come to see.
I
ain't got any food for you. I wasn't that,
It's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling. Yeah, I'm falling in love. 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 Trees aren't green, the ocean is gray, sky is a vague blue, come away. My room is a mess, it could use a hand. My favorite TV shows to capture in. I know must get it right, must get
Even a
back
piggy.
in the fight. This can't be a surprise. I think I let it slide. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems.
Yeah, just be careful because he will headbutt you. Get off my bag. You've got mud all over it.
I keep running fast, left and right, wondering where my head's gone. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. I know sleepwalking through all of my problems.
Small mother.
All of my problems. Maybe I need a break. Maybe that's why I fade into this bitter taste. I think I'll let it be.
I hope you enjoyed watching our little day out. Those goats were so cute, but my god, they liked climbing all over you. One tried to take the change bag like handle off. They wanted to rip the bag that had the food in, like just typical goats, but it was really funny to watch. I don't think I got any like videos of it, but they also had like rabbits, guinea pigs, all different things like that, and they have events throughout the summer where you can like have a cuddle with certain animals and stuff. There were some others that I didn't take videos of because I was carrying Nellie at the same time, and she's very heavy. But they have, I'm not entirely sure what it's called. I'll try and leave it on screen what it's called, but it's like essentially it looks like a cat, and a couple other things that were in the dark that just I couldn't get any clips of. But we had a really lovely day out. Sadly, the bird aviary was shut. They've got like a nice walk through bird aviary. That was shut, which is such a shame because Nellie absolutely adores birds and anything that flies. You would have seen her face watching the butterflies, which she really loved. But yeah, it was a shame about the birds, sadly, but we still had a lovely day out and then what felt like a very long drive home. The purpose of us going there was actually an added bonus because we were on a mum, daughter and granddaughter day out to do something very festive, which will be coming up in Vlogmas very soon, so make sure you're subscribed because you won't want to miss that. And yeah, we just tagged it on to the end, so it probably looks a bit weird because I've just stuck all the video clips together into this vlog, but I kind of wanted to keep the other bits separate to enjoy when it is very festive. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye bye.